doors in our
The ones that slammed the
faces.
doors, yeah, they're pieces of shit.
Did you see that?
Shit. So this guy, the sergeant here, was going to take us
He
for a
would-
walk, and I think we could.
Because you're both military, that's why.
But then
Those two guys showed up.
those other two guys.
That guy ran out this front door and ran around.
What was his name?
Mr. Wright.
So when we hear about in custody deaths, about inmates or people that are in custody of law enforcement officers, we want to identify who the law enforcement were there at the time and what was being done, because it strictly states within the Texas Penal Code that any officer that witnesses excessive force or anything like that, it is his duty to write that down and report it to the supervisor. It states it right there in the code.
But then they know who did it, and
Well,
then
that's the
retaliation.
thing. This is what I want to get at. Are y'all seeking, or any of you deputies seeking, or do y'all have an issue with any type of
Anonymous phone
rub and
calls.
elbow systems to where, like, if I did complain about somebody, then oh man, I'm gonna get suspended because I didn't sign off on this guy's paperwork and agree with the rest of the boys and stuff. Because I'm just saying, man, a lot of my research that I'm doing, I'm seeing some things with the sheriff's department to where officers are doing things. Some of them are reporting it, and then the ones that don't want to report it or go along with what's being said, then they get put on leave. They get put on
Retaliated.
punished. So and we had similar things like that in the military. I understand how it works. Of course, we're over there in a war zone. I wouldn't like to think that here in the States we're in a war zone, so we want to stay within the rights of the people. But I'm telling you right now, from a lot of what I'm hearing in Tarrant County, and a lot of what I'm seeing is not so good, man. Walk around a little bit. Some of the areas, show me some of the classrooms. That'd be cool, man. I know that I don't want to get you in trouble, but show the people like some of the things that y'all do here as far as walking through. Okay.
That's okay. We don't have to. It's all right.
Just things to kind of look and see what's going around.
See there?
Classroom areas.
Well, this is what we're fighting at the Tarrant County Jail. Non-transparency. We can't even look at classrooms. What a joke. Do you think this makes them look good at all? Yeah, we don't want to get you in trouble. Please
We're
leave
not
me a
gonna
comment and let me know.
At least I can see your.
We're not going to get you in trouble. We're not going to get you in trouble.
All right, well, you have a good one, Sergeant.
You too, man. You got it.
Man, what are we, seriously, like, dude, like, what are we going to do? We can't, it's not here. It's not happening here.
The thing is see,
Did you see those guys shut those doors? Doors in our faces.
Yeah, they're pieces of shit.
Did you see that?
So this guy, the sergeant here, was going to take us for a walk, and I think we could.
Because you're both military, that's why.
But then
Those two guys showed up.
those other two guys.
That guy ran out this front door and ran around.
What was his name?
Mr. Wright.